Right now, thousands of people are trying to buy and sell the shares. Some are buying because they believe that the prices will increase in the future, while some are selling because they are afraid that the prices might fall. And within seconds, the system executes trades, moves money, and updates the prices. All of these without you even noticing it. And this invisible system is called stock exchange. And in our today's video, we are going to break it down that how it works behind the scene. If you are new to my channel, my name is Aman, and in my channel, I break down financial concepts into simplest way possible. So if you are someone who is interested in finance or wants to learn more about the topic, then I believe that this channel might help you. Now, without wasting any further time, let's just start the today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about what is a stock exchange, how buyers and sellers are matched, what happens when you click buy on a particular stock, and we are going to learn about a hidden system that moves millions every second. What is a stock exchange? A stock exchange is a regulated marketplace which allows buyers and sellers to trade share of a publicly listed company. However, other financial instruments like bond, derivatives, exchange traded funds are also being traded on an exchange. Notable examples are Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange of India and New York Stock Exchange of US. Let us understand a marketplace analogy. Think of a stock exchange like any other marketplace. Now, let us say you want to buy a pair of sneakers. The seller is willing to sell the sneakers for 1000 rupees, but you want to purchase it for 900. Now, remember, a transaction will only take place if there is an agreement between both the parties. Either you purchase it for 1000 rupees or seller is willing to sell it for 900. Now, exactly this way, replace the sneakers with the share of a particular company. Now, that is exactly how stock market works. The only difference is everything is handled by computer in milliseconds. Now, here's the one thing that most people don't realize. Stock price are not fully decided by the company. It also depends upon the people willingness to buy and sell the shares. That means that stock price reflects people emotion, fear, greed, expectations. And that is why the market moves even when nothing fundamentally changes. Now, let's say a positive news comes about a company A. More people wants to purchase that particular share, demand increases and price rises. Now, similarly, in case of negative news, now let's say a fraud has happened at a particular bank. People will panic and they would sell the shares. Demand will fall, as a result of which the prices will also ultimately fall. Now, let's go deeper. You open your app, you select a stock, and you click buy. Now, what happens when you click buy on a particular stock? Your broker immediately gets notified regarding the order. Then your broker sends your order to the stock exchange. Now, exchange similarly looks for the seller who is willing to sell those exact share at the price that you want to purchase. If a match is found, order is being executed and trade happens. After the trade is being executed, there is something called clearing and settlement, which ensures that the buyer receives the share and the seller receives the money. In India, it usually takes T plus 1 days, which means that if you purchase a particular share today, your shares will be credited in a demat account tomorrow. Now, lastly, in order to conclude our today's video, a stock exchange is not just a trading platform. It's a real-time decision engine of an economy because every second, millions of rupees, millions of decisions, and countless expectations are being processed. The price you see is not just a number, it's the combined belief of thousands of people. So, the next time you open a trading app and you see the price moving, don't just see the numbers, see the marketplace behind it. In my next video, we'll be learning about what actually moves the stock prices. Till then, see ya, stay tuned.